paddle. Wait, it's kayaking, right?
Yeah.
We're going kayaking. Okay, we're here, babe. How you feeling?
Great. I'm excited to come.
I'm gonna wait for you to finish. Here, put this in your pocket. This is where we're at, guys.
Come on, Missy.
And you can loosen up those straps too if you like.
Is it? Do you feel bothered up top? You want to loosen it?
A little bit, I guess. Like right. No, this one. No, I think it's like right here. This one's the tightest one right here.
All right, hold this. Oh, did you zip it though? Oh, they didn't have to zip it.
Yeah, that's good. Thanks, babe.
All right. And have you guys been kayaking before?
He has.
Oh, I have, yes.
You have? Okay, I'm just gonna give you a quick
Okay.
rundown with the paddle.
Okay.
Okay. So you want the logo to be facing you and facing up, just like this. Then you're gonna hold your hands over your head like this and make 90 degrees. We call it the paddler's box.
Okay.
And so this is the most comfortable hand placement for you, just when you're paddling, and then you just dip the paddle in the water and make sure the water covers the whole paddle, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good.
So who's gonna get into the front of the kayak?
You want to go in the front?
I'll go in the front.
That means you got to stare and all that. It's easy though. It's common sense.
Okay.
All right. Then I'm just gonna push her in a little bit. There you go. You want to take your paddle.
Thank you.
And then I can get you in there and then push you in. Oh, that's good.
This is so cool.
Okay. And here you go. So.
Babe, don't tip us over, please.
I'm gonna push this motherfucker. You gotta lay this.
Oh my god. How you feeling, babe?
Oh, I'm chilling. Keep digging. Your strokes too. They gotta go deeper, not. Oh shit! Stop! The fuck? Turn this bad boy. Ooh. Ooh. Babe, jump in. You ready? Yeah, let's hang out.
Babe.
Oh, that feels good. We in here, baby.
So you got it back there? Why you got your mask on still? Yeah. Not wrong.
It's too much work.
They're going against the turn too.
It's gonna turn you naturally, is what I'm saying. All right, now both on both sides. This is the kick and go straight. Get the momentum. You really got to dig in. This is why I should have went in the front, because I'm a stronger upper body. All right, stay to the left. Keep paddling from the left. Tandem. Yeah. Right. Keep digging. Oh my God. Keep digging. I'm on the GoPro. I have no hands right now. So, yeah, behind that boat. So we're in the water chilling. All right.
Hi guys.
You feel defeated? because we fucking wait. You gotta stay on the thing. Oh no, these different.
It's not that hard.
It isn't, but it's a workout. See this water I get smacked with? Y'all gonna get smacked with me.
Look at this hot water.
Yeah. Oh my god. You want the front? Oh, you put this. Probably a mile an hour.
Do a little bit on the left, a little bit, because it's.
Hit it to the left. Straighten this out. Deep. And kick off. Right there. Alright, back to the right. To the right. Kick off on the right. Turning.
It's okay. You can't do it together. Hi. You guys, this is so harder than we expected, but it's fun at the same time. Look under there. I don't think the water's clear enough to get any good like footage underwater, but. Yeah.
My eyes are tanning up because I don't have my. There we go. Oh, now we ready. We in the zone. Fun, y'all. So we took it to the calmer currents. You see that? How you don't see so much waves? It's a lot easier to hold it down individually. And that boat right there, my mom and my brother and his friends probably supposed to go to, that sailboat. Probably gonna hit that up later. We might hit it up later actually if we're there in time. But this is where we were literally shopping when we showed you guys earlier. But we just came back, we went to the hotel, came back, and now we're on the damn kayak. This is called a tandem kayaking for two. Watch me do this.
Out here, this is the type of stuff that we want to be doing all the time, so we need you guys to support this channel so we can do this for you guys. Oh, you need help turning? No, you got it.
No, I got it.
You guys are about to hit a boat.
I'm a G.
Oh, okay. Look at this boat right here.
That's no patience. That's her name. She probably fell out. You know, I love boats and water so much.
That dog is super loud. Real quickly, and we just wanted to show you guys our view. Mind you, I'm sweated out because we just went bike riding
and took rappels and all that.
We had so much fun, guys. We should have vlogged, but it was hard. Anyway, this is our view. Look at our view.
Right there a little bit.
Yeah, this is the other side where we are. It's cute. But yeah, we just wanted to come and say thank you guys for watching this vlog. Let us know if you like this style of vlogging. I wanted to do something different because I just feel like I wanted to make it a little bit more entertaining and fun to look at. So I like to edit it a little bit different. So let us know if you like that style of vlogging. But yeah.
What she said?
We're about to finish eating dinner and then...
Dinner? The day only started. This is
listen,
like a brunch.
Yeah.
We didn't even eat breakfast.
Well, we're gonna finish, eating lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it, and then we will see you when we're back in New Jersey. If we don't, then we'll see you in our next vlog.
Yeah. See you. Peace.